Problem 98, we're taking a look at angle A. We know that it is an obtuse angle, and the sine value here is 3/10. So then we want to figure out the tangent of that angle. So starting off with a diagram of the unit circle, since angle A is obtuse and sine is positive, it's going to be over here in quadrant 2. So this length is that side. 3/10 is my sine, which is the height of that triangle. So what I need to do then is take a look at this triangle. The unit circle has a radius of 1, and this side is 3/10. I can solve for my cosine, or the horizontal distance, by using Pythagorean theorem. So I have 3/10 squared plus x squared equals 1 squared. 3/10, when I square that, is going to be 9/100ths. And when I subtract that from both sides, I'm going to get 1 minus 9/100. So x squared is going to end up equaling 91/100. I then can take the square root of both sides, and x will end up equaling the square root of 91/10, because what I'm doing here is I'm taking the square root of 91, and I'm also taking the square root of 100. That's why my denominator becomes 10. So that lets me know that this side length here is then the square root of 91/10. The tangent is now sine divided by cosine. So I'm going to take 3/10 and divide it by square root of 91/10. Another thing we need to look at for this problem is, since this is in quadrant 2, this value here is negative. So this will be a negative here, and when I'm looking at this problem, this is also negative. Instead of dividing by a fraction, I'm going to then switch this to its reciprocal and multiply. So I have 3/10 multiplied by 10 over the negative square root of 91. 10 divided by 10 reduces down to 1, so this is going to end up equaling a negative 3 over the square root of 91. If I want to get an exact answer, I would now need to rationalize my denominator, so square root of 91 over the square root of 91. So the exact answer will then be a negative 3 square roots of 91 over 91. The approximate answer would be a negative 0.3145.